Hello student, my name is Rahul Yadav. I'm going to teach you explain you one question on binomial expansion. The question is you see it's the form of x plus 1 upon x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x minus 1 upon x minus x power 1 by 2 whole power 10 where x is not equal to 0 and 1. As you see student is the form of numerator and denominator. So before we go applying, before we use binomial expansion theorem, the general term. So before that, we need to simplify it, student. We simplify the numerator and denominator. As you see, the denominator, we numerator we have x plus 1, and in the denominator we have x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1. So student, we want to simplify. We want to make the numerator in the form of the denominator. As you see in the denominator, we have x power 1 by 3. So we can write x in the power of 1 by 3. Okay. So student, we can write x plus 1 as we can write x plus 1 as x 1 by 3 whole cube plus 1 cube. And you all know that a cube plus b cube formula, that is a plus b, a cube b cube formula, you know that a cube plus b cube formula, that is a plus b in bracket x 1 by 3 square, that is student 2 by 3 minus x 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1, right? What I did over here is just use a cube plus BQ formula, that is a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. Is it clear student? Student, and the second part x minus 1 and upon the denominator is x minus x 1 by 2. So we can simplify x minus x 1 by 2 as x power 1 by 2 in bracket x power 1 by 2 minus 1. And so should, as you see in the denominator we get x power 1 by 2 in bracket x power 1 by 2 minus 1. We can simplify the numerator also with like that only, that is x minus 1 can be written as x power 1 by 2 minus x power 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 square, and it is in the form of a square minus b square formula, that is x 1 by 2 plus 1 x 1 by 2 minus 1. Should you know the formula a square minus b square, that is a plus b a minus b. Clear student? Now should we just simplify? We just substitute the values in the actual formula. So what we have is x plus 1 whole bracket x 2 by 3 minus x 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x minus 1 upon x minus x 1 by 2, okay, in the bracket power 10, okay, clear. So what we will get here, at the place of x plus 1 we will substitute this. What we will substitute at the x plus 1 place is in bracket x 1 by 3 plus 1 in bracket x 2 by 3 minus x 1 by 3 plus 1, student, whole divided by in bracket x 2 by 3 minus minus x 1 by 3 plus 1 over here, student, minus at the place of x minus 1 we can write here is x 1 by 2 plus 1 in bracket x 1 by 2 minus 1 whole divided by x 1 by 2 in bracket x 1 by 2 minus 1. Right, student? As you see over here, x minus x1 by 2 is equal to x1 by 2, x by 1 by 2 minus 1. Student, as you see, in the numerator and denominator, we have the two terms the same, that is x2 power by 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 is similar to this, plus in the second term, student, x1 by 2 minus x1 by 2 minus 1 is same. So should we cancel it out? And what we get the next term, what we get in the next step is x 1 by 3 plus 1 minus, student, we can simplify x1 by 2 plus 1 in the denominator x1 by 2 as x 1 by 2 whole divide x1 by 2 plus 1 x1 by 2. Right, student? In the next step, if you see x 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 can be cancel out. So what we will get here, if I cancel this, we get x 1 by 3, we get x 1 by 3, we get x 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 x 1 by 2 plus 10. In the next step, student, plus 1 minus 1 will be 0. What we are getting? We are getting x 1 by 3. Student, as you see, minus and plus will be minus. So we are getting here as minus only, right? So when I open the bracket, the sign will get changed. So I get here minus 1 upon x 1 by 2, the whole power 10. Student, as you see, this expansion, the binomial expansion is of the negative, right? That is x minus 1. Since the binomial expansion is of form, since the binomial expansion is of a minus b power a minus b power n. So the term we will use here, the general term is tr plus 1 minus 1 power r and cr a power n minus r b power r. So student, the general term over here is tr plus 1 equal to minus 1 power r and cr a power n minus r b power r. So what we know that if we compare it, the a, if I compare it, we are getting a is equal to x 1 by 3, b is equal to 1 upon x 1 by 2, and n is equal to 10. So student will substitute this in the general term that t r plus 1 is equal to minus 1 power r, n is 10, cr, a is x 1 by 3, right? A is x power 1 by 3, n minus, 10 minus r, and b we are getting is x power 1 by 2, 1 by 2 power r. So in the next step, it will become as minus 1 power r into 10 cr x power 10 minus r whole divided by 3 into x power minus r by 2. Student, further if I simplify it, minus 1 power r into 10 cr x power, if you see the base of x power, if you see x power 10 minus r by 3 into x power minus r by 2, the base are the same. Student, when base are the same, we can add the powers. So what we will get is 20 minus pi r whole divided by 6. 20 minus pi r whole divided by 6. The calculation is so here, that is 10 minus r by 3 will add up to minus r by 2, that will be equal to 10 minus r by 3 minus r by 2, that will be equal to, the cross multiplication will do is 20 minus 2r minus 3r divided by 6, that is 20 minus pi r by 6. Is it clear, student? So what we get, the general term is tr plus 1 is equal to minus 1 power r 10 c power cr x 20 minus pi r divided by 6. So student, as you know, to find out the coefficient of x power minus 5, we need to find the value of r. So to get coefficient of x power minus 5, we must have the value of r, that is, student, as you know that we got is x 20 minus pi r whole divided by 6 is equal to x power minus 5. When the base are the same, we can compare the power, that is 20 minus pi r upon 6 is equal to minus 5. Further, if I solve it, student, what I get is 20 minus pi r is equal to minus 30. So further, what I get here, student, is pi r is equal to 20 plus 30. That is pi r is equal to 50. So what we will get is r is equal to 10. So student, what we do, if I substitute the value of r, if I substitute the value of r in tr plus 1 this equation or in the equation 1, what we will get is, what we will get is t r is 10 plus 1, that is equal to minus 1 power 10 into 10 c10 into x power 20 minus pi into 10 whole divided by 6. In the next step, student, the 10 power minus 10 will be get as a positive 1. 10 ct is also 1. And this we get is x power 20 minus 50, that will be minus 30 divided by 6. So what I get is x power minus 5. So student, what I get here, the coefficient of x power minus 5 is 1. That is the option we get here, the option A. Thank you.